week and 1 day ago, my wife got a hip replacement. And this is a hole they made to get in there and do it. About 3¼ to 3.5 inches long. And it's healing nicely. The dressing was taken off today, which is day after they said it could be taken off, but it looks very clean. There's no redness around it. It looks very good. Just have to take it easy and make sure that it stays closed. We'll be seeing the doctor in about 6 days as a follow-up on the surgery and see how they say. Anyway, there you go.